The Unified Rules of Mixed Martial Arts, page 9. If a contest or exhibition of mixed martial arts is stopped because of an accidental foul, the referee shall determine whether the unarmed combatant who has been fouled can continue or not. If the unarmed combatant's chance of winning has not been seriously jeopardized as a result of the foul, and if the foul did not involve a concussive impact to the head of the unarmed combatant who has been fouled, the referee may order the contest or exhibition continued after a recuperative interval of not more than 5 minutes. Immediately after separating the unarmed combatants, the referee shall inform the commission's representative of his determination that the foul was accidental. If a fighter is fouled by blow that the referee deems illegal, the referee should stop the action and call for time. The referee may take the injured fighter to the ringside doctor and have the ringside doctor examine the fighter as to their ability to continue or in the contest. The ringside doctor has up to 5 minutes to make their determination. If the ringside doctor determines that the fighter can continue in the contest, the referee shall, as soon as practical, restart the fight. However, unlike the low blow foul rule, the fighter does not have up to 5 minutes of time to use at their discretion. For a foul other than a low blow, the foul fighter is not guaranteed 5 minutes of recovery time if deemed not fit to continue by the referee or ringside physician. The referee must immediately call a halt to the bout. If the fighter is deemed not fit to continue by the referee or ringside physician, but some of the 5-minute foul time is still remaining, the fighter cannot avail himself of the remaining time. If the referee stops the contest and employs the use of the ringside doctor, the ringside physician's examinations shall not exceed 5 minutes. If 5 minutes is exceeded, the fight cannot be restarted and the contest must end. Scoring of incomplete rounds. There should be a scoring of an incomplete round. If the referee penalizes either contestant, then the appropriate points shall be deducted when the scorekeeper calculates the final score for the partial round. Verbal tap out. Number 1, submission by tap out. When a contestant physically uses his hand to indicate that he or she no longer wishes to continue. Or 2, verbal tap out. When a contestant verbally announces to the referee that he or she does not wish to continue or make audible sounds such as screams indicating pain or discomfort. Combat area, ring/cage. All MMA contests will take place in either a cage or a ring that has been approved by the commission. The cage or ring will meet the requirements set forth by each commission. And page 10. Also be subject to inspection prior to each event by a commission representative, such as a referee. Rings. The ring specifications for mixed martial arts must meet the following requirements. Number 1, the ring may be no smaller than 20 feet square and no larger than 32 feet square within the ropes. Number 2, one of the corners must have a blue designation. The corner directly across must have a red designation. Number 3, the ring floor must extend at least 18 inches beyond the ropes. The ring floor must be padded with insolite or a similar closed cell foam with at least 1 inch layer of foam padding. Padding must extend beyond the ring ropes and over the edge platform with a top covering of canvas, duck, or similar material tightly stretched and laced to the ring platform. Material that tends to gather in lumps and ridges may not be used. Number 4, the ring platform must be more than 4 feet above the floor of the building and must have suitable steps for the use of the contestants. Number 5, ring posts must be made of metal, no more than 3 inches in diameter, extending from the floor of the building to a minimum height of 58 inches above the ring floor, and must be properly padded in a manner approved by the commission. Ring posts must be 18 inches away from the ring ropes. Number 6, there must be 5 ring ropes, not less than 1 inch in diameter and wrapped in soft material. The lowest rope must be no higher than 12 inches from the ring floor. Number 7, there must not be any obstruction or object on and part of the ring floor. Cages. The fighting area canvas shall be no smaller than 18 feet by 18 feet and no larger than 32 feet by 32 feet. The fighting area canvas shall be padded in a manner as approved by the commission, with at least 1 inch layer of foam padding. Padding shall extend beyond the fighting area and over the edge of the platform. No vinyl or other plastic rubberized covering shall be permitted. The fighting area canvas shall not be more than 4 feet above the floor of the building and shall have suitable steps or ramp for use by the participants. Posts shall be made of metal not more than 6 inches in diameter, extending from the floor of the building to a minimum height of 58 inches above the fighting area canvas, and shall be properly padded in a manner approved by the commission. The fighting area canvas area shall be enclosed by a fence made of such material as will not allow a fighter to fall out or break through it onto the floor or spectators, including but not limited to vinyl coated chain link fencing. All metal parts shall be covered and padded in a manner approved by the commission and shall not be abrasive to the contestants. The fence shall provide 2 separate entries onto the fighting area canvas. Rule meetings, general guidelines. In many jurisdictions, group rule meetings have been commonplace in the reviewing of rules, fouls, and other considerations. It is recommended that individual meetings between the bout, supervising referee, and each competitor in the contest be conducted backstage in the locker room or another appropriate location. Many times, contestants will ask questions of the official. End of page.